Hope you guys are doing good. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a fuel feeding line into a fuel line. So this is the feeding, this is a fuel line, and so what we're going to do is we're going to heat up this this area right here with the heat gun. And all we're doing is pretty much expanding the plastic. And yeah, this fuel line comes in Volvo. Volvo's they use this type of hose, fuel lines and fitting. So all I'm gonna do is using the heat gun, I'm gonna heat up this area. Just enough so we can expand it, and we can push in the fitting pretty much. We're gonna heat it up about maybe 30 seconds, no more than that. And then we're gonna push the fitting inside. Just like that. So I know this is a used fitting already. The hose is not, I won't reuse it. I mean, I won't use it. This is only demonstration, because there's not a lot of information on how to install these fittings. But as you can see, this hose is really small. This is only a demonstration. So what happened is the hose that I had, it had a crack from this area, somewhere in this area, and so I had to replace the whole hose and get all the fittings. This hose, you can get it from Volvo. They'll sell it by as many foot you need, and the fitting as well. So pretty much you got to make it your own. But hopefully this video was helpful, and leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.